Hi there, this is Maggie. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to introduce about vertical packing machines. The machine looks like all the same, but they share different ways of loading the materials. Like this is liquid, or we can see paste like ketchup and powders and also granules. So let's take a closer look on the machines. This one is for semi-liquid or like something like this sauce packing machine. And there is a pump. We use the pump to load the material. This one is Chinese herb powder. It's not like the milk powder. We also consider it as granules. And this one is the loader for granule material. This one we're seeing is for powder packing. See the inside the loader? It's a screw type. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your time. If there is any machines you would like to see in our next videos, welcome to leave your comments below and remember to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.